Myself, Dr. Pankaj Srivastava, Professor and Head, School of Agriculture, Sage University, Bhopal, welcomes all of you in today's lecture that is on what to do with agricultural waste. When we think about waste, we feel that waste is a problem. In continuation with my last lecture, where I told about the types of waste, in which I explained that how to identify the types of waste and how to segregate the waste. First, we should segregate the degradable waste and non-degradable waste. Agricultural waste are the waste which are degradable waste in nature. Non-degradable waste are the other types of waste, for example, glass, metals, or the waste coming from the industries. Agricultural waste are the organic waste, which is degradable by the help of the microbes. So here I am going to tell you what we can do with the agricultural waste. The utilization of agricultural waste. Agricultural waste may be of different type of natures. So first of all, after the segregation of degradable and non-degradable waste, the degradable waste are the organic waste or the agricultural waste. It is also of different natures. So first of all, we should understand the nature of agricultural waste. Then it can go for the biogas production. It can go for the biofertilizer. If it is coming from the dairy, it can go for the meat industry and it can go for the leather industries. Agricultural waste can be utilized for the alcohol production. Agricultural waste can also be utilized by the fuel extraction. Agricultural waste is utilized for phosphorus and calcium extraction, and agricultural waste is a raw material for paper and pulp industries. So how we can come to know that which waste will be suitable for which utilization? For this purpose, we should know the type of agricultural waste. If our agricultural waste or organic waste is coming from sewage, directly this waste will be suitable for the biogas production. If agricultural waste is coming from our agricultural farm activities like wheat production, barley production, sesame production, or sugarcane production, the waste is rice straw, sugarcane trash, sesame straw, barley straw, or bagasse. This type of agricultural waste is suitable for the either of the utilization. For example, it can be suitable for the biogas production. This waste can directly be utilized as animal fodder. This waste can go for the decomposition, and compost can be prepared for our organic agriculture. If agricultural waste is coming from dairy, that is cow dung can also go for composting, and which can be utilized as a manure for the organic agriculture production. Or cow dung is also suitable for biogas. Biogas can be produced from the cow dung, and again the leftover waste after the biogas production can be utilized as a manure in our agriculture. Agricultural waste, if it is cotton stalk or if it is hard wood coming from the pruning of the horticulture orchard. So this type of hard woody agricultural waste will not be suitable for either animal fodder or for biogas. This can go for composting, but for the composting, this woody waste will take more time. So briquetting is the method. The woody waste can be utilized as briquetting. So if we know that which type of waste will be suitable for what type of utilization, we can combat the problem of agricultural waste in our country. Thank you very much.